We begin tonight with an ABC 15 exclusive, and we have the inside look at hundreds of complaints logged against the Phoenix VA over the past 13 years, giving us incredible insight into the VA scandal. Only on ABC 15, Sarah Goldenberg has poured through these pages of documents for us. And Sarah, what did you find?
Well, Stephanie, it took us 3 months to get the information for you through a public records request. We've gone through each and every complaint filed through the Inspector General hotline. Many of them were employees voicing their concerns, and this was not a surprise to one of the whistleblowers we spoke with.
Complaints filed against the Phoenix VA since 2001 take up 162 pages. Allegations of patient deaths, delayed care, and staffing shortages.
If the VA doesn't address these big problems, it's going to implode.
A lot of them sound familiar to whistleblower Dr. Catherine Mitchell, who still works at the Phoenix VA.
It doesn't surprise me the kind of complaints. What surprises me is how few complaints you have.
Some made by nurses just this year, saying they leave work feeling ashamed of the care they can't provide because they're short-staffed.
They would float nurses away from the emergency department and leave us so incredibly thin as far as nursing coverage that I was afraid something bad would happen to patients.
Since this is a hotline log, not all of these complaints were investigated. The Office of Inspector General says only 5% of them make it that far. This one, filed this year, says the nursing shortage led to several near misses with patients. Still, Dr. Mitchell says this.
I have worked with amazing nurses at the VA. I'm actually proud to have been a VA nurse.
She says too many complaints are anonymous because employees are afraid of retaliation. We found that documented here several times. Dr. Mitchell says things need to change now.
It can't take years. The significant issues have to do with patient care and patient safety and facility safety. It can't take years.
Now, we actually asked for copies of all complaints filed since 1990, but the Inspector General's office told us they didn't keep records of all the paper complaints going back that far. In response to the nursing shortage, the VA says it's actively recruiting more nurses. And as far as employee intimidation goes, they say they've set up a new hotline for staff that delivers complaints straight to the medical director.
Reassuring to see that at least they are starting to make some of these changes. Sarah, thank you.